So, have you been looking to move out of the city? You want some acreage. Maybe you want a place that you can have some goats or cows, or I don't know. But I can't wait for you to see this one. This is a 5-bedroom, 2-bath mobile home situated on 2 acres. And it also has a huge garage where you could park your RV, you could park your boat, you can have a truck in there. I mean, there's so much you can do with this property. I really can't wait for you to come inside and check this one out. Okay, so what did you think? I don't know about you, but one of my favorite parts about this property is this back porch back here. I can just envision myself sitting here, drinking some coffee, watching the sun come up. I mean, I don't know what you're waiting for, but you need to contact me today so you can find out how to make this home your home.